Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this awesome Pedoni chainsaw set. It's suitable for standard 18 volts Milwaukee batteries. Battery is not included, so you have to have something like that around. Here I have a whopping 6 amps lithium battery, which is also compatible with Milwaukee, and in the set included this absolutely awesome carry case, so the chainsaw fits here absolutely easily inside. And not only a chainsaw but also a large battery, even this super large 6000 milliamps battery, and also tools and accessories are fitting nicely here inside, so I can close it easily and fully lock it on both sides easily and carry it with me and have it all the time when I need it. And so I've been working now a lot for 2 days with this chainsaw and used up all the power of this large battery, and it's still going strong. There was absolutely no problem. And so here we have it. You can see absolutely solid build with a great grip. You can see we have these soft rubber applications for additional grip. We have also a safety lock button here, so we have to push here first and only then we can pull the trigger. And it's really fast and strong with a full copper 550 watts motor inside. I've been able to feel that when I was using that, but of course there can always be something which is too strong to cut, and the good thing is then it will stop, but it's not damaged. You can just pull it away and then start it again. This is exactly how it should be. We can see it has some decent ventilation here, not too much because there can always be a little bit of water, and we can see also here some decent ventilation down there. And now I have reduced the light here inside a little bit because I want to show you a very special feature, and that's the light. There's a light here in the front, and as soon as I activate the chainsaw, it will illuminate the area where you're cutting. So I start this here. Yeah, really nice, can be super helpful. For example, if you have to work in an emergency situation, I really love this feature. I've never seen that before. And it comes with a great protection here on top. But while you're cutting into wood, and you can really cut up to 4 inches deep, when you cut, it will automatically lift this up. So you have the full length of 4 inches to cut through thick branches or trunks. And I've done this already. I've even been cutting some really thick, super hard bamboo, and it was absolutely no problem. Of course, after using this 4 hours, I had to tighten the chain, and this is super easy because we have this really nice screw here, so you don't have to use any tools to just open that. The set comes also with this screwdriver, and so with the screwdriver we can just go here. I hope you can see that there's a screw here on the left side, and just tighten it a little bit till the chain is tight again, and after that we can secure it. Of course, if it's stuck because there's too much weed or shavings here inside, that happens with every chainsaw, you can fully remove this nut and then remove easily this part, and you have full access to everything. Watch how nicely this is built, and you can definitely see that I've been using this, and I've been using this a lot. And I've been using some different chainsaws, and while I had some problems with some other chainsaws, this thing was holding up till the very end and still going strong. Of course, it doesn't have an automatic lubrication system, but it's very easy to put a little bit of oil here, maybe with a spray, or put some oil on a towel. The set comes also with a replacement chain, but that shouldn't be needed so fast because the chain is really good quality. We get also this file here to sharpen it again if that's needed, but it has arrived in really super sharp condition, and to sharpen here is super easy. It works exactly as with most other chainsaw or chains, super easy to do and definitely not needed a lot. But if you have to really replace it, you can just remove it. It's a super simple task. Here you can also see the whole mechanism to tighten the chain. It's a very solid and easy to use construction. just make sure when you replace the chain that it goes into the same direction. And so I can easily put it back here, just put it around here in the back, align it with the bolt here, readjust the length if needed, and close the protection here again. Also make sure that there is no gap here and everything is tight, so we are ready to go. And so I add my battery again, just push it here inside, and so I can hit the locking mechanism and the trigger, and you can see it still works or works again. And so I've been using it now for 2 days, and I'm planning to use it also today again and to work with it for longer times also no problem, because it's very well balanced. You can see I can hold it here with just one finger. It's also not too heavy. Most weight is just from the battery. Yeah, I would say awesome little chain, so definitely big helper for your yard. Maybe not suitable if you plan to cut a whole forest, but other than that, this chainsaw can be a real lifesaver if you want to get rid of some smaller trees, strong bushes, whatsoever. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.